ശ്രുതിയമ്മ ലയമച്ഛൻ മകളുടെ പേരു സംഗീതം. ശ്രുതിയമ്മ ലയമച്ഛൻ മകളുടെ പേര് സംഗീതം എന്നാണെങ്കിൽ മകൻ്റെ പേരെന്തായിരിക്കും? ഹരിഹരൻ എന്നായിരിക്കും. യെസ്, ഇന്ന് സ്റ്റാർ ഗ്ലിറ്റ്സിൽ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉള്ളത് നൺ അതർ ദാൻ ദ ലെജൻഡറി, ദ വൺ ആൻഡ് ഓൺലി ഹരിജി.
Adab. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm good.
Parayan maranna paribhavanam vidaradrama nimishamu.
Okay, oh God. What do I do?
So in the what did you forget?
It's not about forgetting.
What is your name?
Pravada.
Okay, Pravada. You remember that?
Yes. And now actually, you asked me, it came out. I think I remember. I forgot everything that I had to ask you.
Okay. Today you did your hair up. How many hairpins did you use?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so time is up.
No, I can't answer any of the questions because it's a fan moment, as I said. I never expected that I'll be like sitting in face to face with you and talking. So it's like that kind of a situation.
It's great to meet you.
Yeah.
And Chennai.
It's that period from where like Urdu blues. Kaash aisa koi manzar hota. Oh God, I'm not able to sing also. Just.
मेरे कांधे पे तेरा सर होता, काश ऐसा कोई मंजर होता.
Yes, this legendary singer Hariharan's journey.
Yeah.
How did it all start, sir?
I was born first.
Your childhood days. And
Yeah, I mean, childhood days were very like I was born in Bombay and we lived in Bombay. My parents lived in Bombay, so usual. Grew up, went to nursery, and then joined Don Bosco.
Okay.
Yeah, I was Don Boscoite.
Okay,
as you call it.
okay.
Yeah, I'm a Boscoite.
Okay.
And had nice fun in my when I was a kid. Usually playing cricket, football, and whatever we kids do. Those days there was no idiot box.
I know.
So we could we were more out of the house playing something, and that was my childhood. I mean, it's like in the morning I used to listen to Carnatic music because there was Carnatic music always in the evening.
Your mom was a Carnatic teacher, yeah.
Yes, and you go to Don Bosco, you're exposed to ABBA and Beatles and all.
Right, Western.
Right,
Yeah,
Western. And then we listen to Bollywood.
True, yeah.
I mean, those days itself, when I was in school, we used to sing songs from Hindi movies.
Right.
But they were all ghazals. Then we came to know there was ghazal.
Yeah.
So grew up in this melting pot called Bombay culturally, and went through school.
Okay. So, I mean, I've heard you mentioning it was an osmosis process where, like, you kind of didn't learn exactly, but you kept hearing and then learned in between.
No, it's both. It's both.
Yeah.
You hear first, then you learn. Sit down and learn,
Right.
and you practice. That was done.
Right.
But first it was just osmosis.
True.
You're just playing and you're listening.
Beach
but
mein sunna.
But
Yeah.
it's getting registered in the subconscious.
Right.
It's not that it goes waste.
Right.
Exactly.
Exactly. So in between, after that, how did you get to this Hindustani, khayal?
Yeah, I mean, both my parents, my father and mother, they are musicians, Carnatic musicians, and but they loved Hindustani.
Right.
They influenced. They loved. There is only two kinds of music in a house:
Yeah.
good and bad. So follow the good.
Okay.
So there's nothing else. Be it Western, be it Hindustani, be it Egyptian, be it anybody,
Right.
Anything, But it's interesting, it's good, then
True.
Yeah,
True.
it has to attract you.
Right.
So that way they used to listen to Bhimsen ji, Amir Khan Saab, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Saab, Barkat Ali.
Yeah.
So those things were also getting in,
True.
And I was smitten. I heard Ustad Ghulam Musa Khan Saab's LP.
Okay.
He sang Bhagyashree and Bhupal Todi. I mean, out of the world. Like it zapped me, like you just standing and then what was happening this.
Okay.
And then it was a mission for me to meet Ustadji and learn from him. And God was kind. I could I could meet him, and like my mother said very sarcastically, he's sitting for you to teach you. He said, Amma, let me try. I mean,
That happened.
it happened. Yes,
Great.
it happened, and he's 87. He's 87. He just got the Padma Vibhushan. I still go for to charge my battery. Yeah.
And his student got Padma Bhushan. That's
No. I'm a Padma Shri.
Padma Shri. Yes, Padma Shri. And let me ask you, 1977-78, Ajeeb Saneha Mujh Par Guzar Gaye Yaro, Gaman.
Gaman.
How did that happen?
That was 1977 early.
Yeah.
There was this Sur Singhal Samsad competition.
Okay.
Like you have in Vijay TV reality show.
show.
But that was actual live reality show. They got about 100 people from the whole of India.
Okay.
And then the processing stars, the last 22 people there.
Okay.
And I got an award there. Me, Suresh Watkar and Rani Verma.
Okay.
So this put me in touch with a lot of music directors.
Okay.
And that was my first stepping stone. Like,
Yeah.
okay, there's a singer called Hari Haran. Everybody.
Okay.
So after that, Jaydev ji was one of the judge.
Yeah. Okay.
Jaydev ji.
Yeah.
कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया, बात निकली पे हर एक बात पे रोना आया, कभी खुद पे. The great Jaydev ji.
Yeah.
So he liked my singing, so he said, "Come over, we'll hang out." And so after about 6 months, this movie came up, Gaman.
Okay.
So he gave me a break with that.
Great. And after that, you kept on singing ghazals and things like that. And then that meeting with A.R. Rahman and Mani Ratnam.
But that happened later.
Yeah, 92.
Much later.
92.
Much later.
Yeah.
Much later.
But let me
Yeah.
ask you, you've sung so many songs for A.R. Rahman ji. And who is your favorite music director in that case? Let me ask you, so far that you've sung.
You can't make one because I have sung for all music directors, right from the old veterans to Rahman and to today's this
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
It's very difficult, and it's very, I would say this, you'll be doing injustice to a lot of people.
Right, that's true.
Really, yeah.
That's true.
But I could say Jaydev ji, Panchamda,
Yeah.
Raja sir, Vidya Sagar, Deba,
Yeah.
Rahman. They are my. I've done a
Yeah,
lot of
all
work with
them
them.
are
Yeah, I
like,
enjoyed working with them.
Yeah, and I just can't be without mentioning the songs that since you mentioned Panchamda, Kishore Das song that you sang, redid in
Yeah, in a
Dil
movie,
Vil Pyar
Dil Vil
Vyar.
Pyar Vyar.
Yes. The Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar, all those songs, Oh Hansini and all.
Hansini.
Oh God, that was like that movie I've seen so many times just because of the songs. And that
See, I told them I was a little kind of cautious about that because you can't sing like Kishore Da. If you try to, he had his own voice. He had that Gambiram, Gambira Shariram.
Yeah.
So I said, I'll just fall flat on my face. So I will give it. I will sing the way
My
Hari
style.
Haran sings.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So if you're agreeable to it, then I can sing because otherwise,
Okay.
I'll be of no value.
Right.
It'll be boring.
Right.
What is he trying to do?
A unique style of yours.
What about
Different, yeah,
Every style is unique. na?
Unique, yeah, that's true.
So they agreed to it, and it worked. A lot of people liked it. Yeah.
Loved it, in fact.
Yeah.
Please hum the Hansini or Gum Hai.
ओ हंसने कहाँ उड़ चले मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चले
Ah,
ओ हंसने.
this is I mean, you express the way you express when you sing. I think it came from the genre. I mean, ghazal, where you kind of have a conversation kind of.
Yeah, it's all
style.
conversationally.
Yeah, because I've seen you experimenting every time, changing and coming up with.
You know that there's a secret to it.
Yeah.
Because each time I sing, I forget what I've sung. So I need to sing something else.
That's completely a different Hariji style. You have a signature style of yours. Where
It's
you,
important to have that kind of thing. Otherwise, you don't last. You don't grow.
yeah, that's true.
I like-
That's true. A uniqueness should be there
Yeah,
all the time.
yeah, yeah.
And sir, again, I want to ask you. You have sung in so many languages, like Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil. And when you sing, I mean, lyrics are of course very important. So when you sing, which language you feel more musical, more poetic in terms of as a singer? What do you? have
I
you
love
felt?
Urdu.
Urdu.
Urdu comes because I've dwelt singing Urdu a lot.
Ah, okay, okay. And what about Malayalam songs that you've
Of
sung?
course, Malayalam. See, any language. To sing a language is easier than to talk the language.
Right, right.
Because sing, you already get the grammar to it.
Yeah.
You get the meter.
Right.
You get the vowels in which you have to stress.
Okay.
And you have the shruti to give you the emotion.
That's right.
It's all there.
Right, right.
So
the bhava kind of,
the bhava will come because bhava is in the shruti.
right.
When you say in the right panchamam or madhyamam or devatam or nishadam, there's the corresponding word,
Yeah.
which the music director has already thought about.
Okay.
It will fall in place.
That's true.
Simple.
That's true.
Yeah.
Since it's a Malayalam channel and you have sung so many Malayalam songs, which one is, when I ask you, which one comes to your mind all of a sudden? Any Malayalam song that you've sung?
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Amridamai, Sneha Veeda.
Amridamai. नहीं, first, what is the first thing?
Amridamai.
Abhayamai janani niyangum da 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 yilum na 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 na.
Then Aro Padunnu Dure.
Aro
Oh, beautiful songs. Every song is like unique. And even Tamil songs. Normally people talk about Uire, Tamila, so many songs. Malargale, Malargale, Idiyanna Kanava. But I love one song of yours, Aase.
கொஞ்ச நாள் பொறு தலைவா ஒரு வஞ்சி கொடி இங்கே வருவா கண்ணிரண்டில் போர் தொடுப்பா வெண்ணிலவை தோற்கடிப்பா சுபஸ்ரீ இந்த பாட்டு வருமே காமாட்சி
The beautiful song, and that that's a different kind of song that you've sung. In all these songs that you've sung, if somebody asks you which has been your, because you got 2 national awards and one for Border and one for a Marathi song, and what do you feel is making those 2 songs different? Why they fetched you a national award?
I think basically the movie also plays a big role
Yeah.
and the situation in the movie.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Both the situations were mind-boggling.
Okay.
मेरे दुश्मन मेरे भाई
Yeah, that's
and
true.
Jeeva Rangala.
Okay.
I think the situation lifted the song and the acting, everything, you know. So it's all a composite kind of a thing.
It's a combination of different factors.
Yeah, absolutely. Uire is the most popular song I've sung.
Yeah.
I have not got one award for that.
That's what I was wondering. Everybody sings Uire.
But that is the greatest award I got.
Yeah.
The song was itself destined.
True.
You know, Rahman had to give it to me and gave it to me. And
That's true.
yeah, it's a great identity.
Yes, wherever you go now also Uire means people start and
It's something I mean, sometimes I said, I tried to fight it in my mind. I said, no, it's meant to be. So leave it.
yeah, because normally that's what people say. And also, you've got national awards, state awards, and so many awards. I mean, you've been, a blessed singer with, and also you have done hard work a lot to gain all this. But what has been your success mantra? What do you feel is
I
being your
think
success mantra?
my success mantra is I look for the future. That's all gone. Whatever has happened is, what do I do new in music?
Yeah.
Think young. Think for the future.
Right.
The moment you say, I've done it all, then what do you do?
True.
Then you deteriorate.
True.
Start coming down.
See, that's what has been the journey, like, you know, the colonial cousins came,
Yeah.
Urdu blues,
Right.
and then you came
Then
up.
we did with Zakir Bhai, we did
Yes.
something. So something will come up. Yeah.
Right, and after that, if I ask you, then again you started with your son Akshay.
Yeah, yeah.
EDMs, you are like
we are doing
now-
some shows in
Yeah,
that,
some
yeah.
shows, and these are all plans that you consciously plan and do,
No,
or
it keeps
just fall
coming.
in place.
It fall in place. Yeah. When things are happening, then you see it and then do it. But the
Okay.
initiative is within you.
Yeah.
You can't just sit around and say, okay, something is going to fall on my lap today. No, nothing will fall.
And also the technological aspect. I mean, these days technology is like everything. In terms of music, also, it's grown a lot, and because it's
But with technology, it has to be musical.
right.
Otherwise, there's no big deal about it.
That's true. That's true. It
What
has
will
to be.
technology do?
Right. It has to
He'll
be
make,
musical.
he'll make the sound clear, but the sound has to be musical.
That's true. That's true. So you came up with Sing with Hari concept and things like that. So this Sing with Hari is what you wanted. I mean, you reached the success. You gained all this. You wanted to give it to the youngsters who
Actually,
wanted to
I want at a certain point of time to teach singing. Basically,
Okay.
singing is an amazing art.
yeah.
So maybe what I've learned in all my years, I want to pass it on. What will I do with keeping it? I mean,
Right.
like a lot of people have adapted this style, but listening to me. So why not teach them what I've, you know?
True,
Yeah.
true.
yeah.
How you are able to get the technique right,
Right,
and
right.
things, it's very important. You
Yeah,
know how to
yeah.
take care of your voice. These things you do communicate through this.
True.
Yeah, that's what you wanted to.
Yeah, I wanted,
Yeah.
yeah.
And also, when your son came into this music field, what is the first thing that you told him, being so experienced in
Well,
this
I
field?
told him, you got to work hard, you got to be innovative, you got to spend time on your work. Think. Don't do bulk work. Just think and do what you have to.
Yeah.
And it's a tough world. Showbiz is a tough world. Very
I
tough
know
world.
it is
So,
very competitive.
Yeah, that is one thing. See,
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Whenever you're in a field or you're working,
Yeah.
never ever think about the competition.
True.
Half your burden is gone.
Yeah, stress is gone.
Half your burden is gone when you feel that you don't think about the competitors.
Okay.
You just do your work.
Yeah,
Ultimately, that is what is going to get you work.
that's true.
Not thinking about the competitors or saying that वो ऐसा कर रहा है तो मैं ऐसा करूँगा. कुछ नहीं होता.
Yeah, because why I'm saying is because when you started, there was no kind of reality shows. You had to just come up, you know, your own way, find your own way, because
See, I'll
there
tell
was
you
no
one
much
thing.
venues.
There is a problem with reality shows. The only problem is a lot of kids try to ape the main singer,
Yeah,
and so their soul is not seen. That they have to be very careful.
identity is not there.
They are very popular for that 1 year where they are singing the reality shows and then they fade out.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask you. The window for a singer these days has become so, I mean,
So small,
Small.
unless you are giving a lot of thing, lot of weight as a singer, you don't last.
even the songs. I mean, I'm not, with all due respect to the music directors this time also, they are making good music, but the songs that lasted, you know,
No, but one thing I'll tell you.
evergreen songs.
It's, you can't only blame the music director and the musicians. You have to talk of the whole film industry, what they are going, what they want.
Yeah,
In today's world, you have producers, actors, they all have a say in what the music has to be.
that's the thing. You
So
know?
there it goes.
Yeah, so that is why it is not
It has
long
become a
lasting.
norm.
Yeah.
That's
Why
it.
the songs are like fading very soon, I feel, you know, it's not.
Yeah, it's like we bought a fridge. It lasted for 15 years. Now 4 years it will be chirikim. Please throw me out.
The guess next one
Exactly,
comes.
exactly.
Next
And the way it is marketed is there on your face for 3 months and it's removed.
one. That's true.
It doesn't fade out. They don't give it time. They remove it from the shelf. So the next songs are there.
Yeah, and you've sung, as we mentioned, so many music directors' songs, and I mean, which would be your favorite number? I know it's difficult to pick like that.
I don't have favorite numbers. I like all my songs.
All your
most of it.
Yeah, but for us,
Custom much already.
I know,
very
தெரியும்.
difficult,
It's
very
difficult.
And yeah. But the most popular I can tell you Veere, and
Veere,
the 10,
yeah.
10
Yeah.
15 songs I can
Yeah.
tell you. That is
Yeah.
what the people like.
And Chandare.
Chandare.
You know why I'm saying Chandare Vennilave? I'm just stressing on that.
Why?
I want you to just please hum for us.
Sing.
Yep, for us.
चंदारे चंदारे कभी तो ज़मीं पर आ बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर ओढ़ के आज तू बादल बने.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
And is there anything that you want to tell the newcomers out there when they step into this industry? What do you have to take care of?
Well, you are in the music industry, you're already blessed if you are a musician. Learn music, practice music, make yourself an amazing musician. Work will come to you. Promise.
So, last and final, what did you feel about this whole chat?
This chat, you're very charming.
Thank
and,
you.
It was very easy to chat with you.
Thank you
And
so
I would say hi to all the viewers and
Channel D viewers.
Channel D viewers. My love, peace. God bless.
Thank you so much. This was a dream come true for me, and I'm sure for all the viewers out there.